Today on Southern Accent Foods, I'll show you this easy recipe for creamy stovetop mac and cheese. Your family's gonna love it, and it's definitely kid-friendly. Stick around for the secret that brings this whole thing together. Get 1 pound of elbow noodles into some salted boiling water and cook according to the package directions. While the pasta cooks, get some unsalted butter into a large Dutch oven over medium-low heat. Add some all-purpose flour and stir to make a roux. I'll link directly to the recipe below for the exact amounts. Keep stirring and cook for about 3 to 4 minutes to cook out the raw flour taste. Stir in some whole milk, raise the heat, and stir just until the mixture starts to bubble and thicken. Quick science lesson you can skip ahead if you like. Cheese is basically a network of water, fat, calcium, and protein. When you add heat, the fat begins to melt, the network holding everything together begins to separate, and the whole mess just goes oily and clabbery. But there is a fix. What's the secret to holding everything together? It's called sodium citrate. Sodium citrate is a naturally occurring salt found in citrus peels. Now, where are you going to find something like that? Right here. Of course, Velveeta is no secret. It's the sodium citrate that makes it work. It acts like an emulsifier that holds the fat and the protein together when you add heat. It helps everything go nice and creamy and keeps the sauce from separating. Stir in the processed cheese and add some grated cheddar cheese into the mix. Turn down the heat. You just want everything to melt and go nice and creamy. You could also get fancy with any other cheese you like, but I'm keeping this simple here just to give you the basic blueprint. Now all you have to do is add the cooked pasta and stir everything together. It's time to eat. Like I said, keep it simple or add any other cheese you like. This will be one of the first things to go at your next family meal. If you're enjoying my videos and learning more about cooking, click that like button. Visit my website, southernaccentfoods.com, download and print my recipes, and sign up for a weekly recipe email. If you'd like another easy side dish recipe, click on this video right here.